Hello, croeso I Teledu'r Tele. A warm welcome to you to Teledu'r Tele. Today we're going to look at a brainstorm app or to create a spider diagram. And this app does it. It's called the Popplet Lite. It's the free version of the app on the App Store. This one's ideal. So we'll click on it and you get a blank page. And on the cog or the wheel, there's multiple options there, but we are going to click on the first one, make a new Popplet, and then you can start your diagram. There's 4 options. The first one being to change the color, so we'll make that orange. The second one is to add text. So my spider diagram is going to be what I would see on the farm. Okay, what would I see on the farm? And then what I'm going to do is put some of my ideas around that title. So there's you can see 4 dots. So we'll go up first. We'll change the color to make it interesting. Okay, what would I see? I think this time I'm going to use the pencil. We'll write in red. And my best handwriting, we are going to write, I think we'd see a dog. Now then. It's not the best handwriting. There we go. We'll see a dog. What else would we see? I know. I think we'll change that colour to green. We'll use text again. And we'd see a green tractor. Can't go to the farm without seeing the tractor. And then the last one, just before I created this video, I had to think. And we'll change the colour again. Go black and white, you'll see why. We'll add a picture. This will take either to your library or, as it says, take a photo. In my library I have a picture of a cow. And these then, let's put it together. These are my ideas of what I would see on the farm. And we've created a spider diagram. And there we go, nice and simple. Remember, to keep this you need to export it. Top right there's a button, export. You need to export that to your camera roll, and you need to save it as a JPEG. So if you click there, image has been successfully saved in the photo library.